Hello, and once again starting stream before getting my my cup of tea, my tea. Cool, very cool. This looks like a lot, but really isn't. I just moved some files around. Master, I should probably do a new branch. Files. Repositioning. I don't know what you call it. Restructuring. Fuck yeah, program man. Fuck yeah, indeed. I do have plans on what to do today. And those plans are basically, I can grab. Well, first of all, I just want to make this new files. Cool. What am I going to show? Oh yeah, so okay, I had, let's say I had this rock, and I also had, what did I also have? A field square and the rock. Where's my rock? Here it is. I don't really care if anyone's paying attention. I'm just gonna explain anyway, just nothing, whatever. This rock has an area and a collision because I do want to hit my hammer and grab the material, rock, stone. And it also had a sprite, right? Which is pretty, basic stuff you would expect. And my field square is where I plant stuff. Conveniently, it also had an area and a collision because I do want to hoe and till it. And also it had a sprite because I want to change if the sprite is if it's tilled, if it's watered and stuff like that. Cool. Anyone who's done object orientation programming might be putting their thumb and finger up to their chins and going, very peculiar, because it is. The area collision sprites, they are just the same structure. And to prevent programming the same thing over and over again and copying and pasting stuff, or just overall very peculiar, clueless. Yeah, it's okay. To prevent programming the same thing over and over again, what I'm going to do is try and think of a, you know, fucking another level they can be inheriting from. And that other level is what I'm calling the basic entity. The basic entity is basically anything I can interact with. I have a few flags because, sorry, not all entities are created are interacted the same. I will not have dialogue with my field square, I hope. But I also will not have dialogue with my rock. I will be able to pick up my rock, but I will not be able to pick up my field square. Hittable, I don't know what you call it, but hittable is basically like I can use a tool on it. Because when you use tool, weirdly enough, like well, not weirdly, it's very okay. But in Harvest Moon, whenever you hit a person with a, because they are hittable, you can hit them. They get annoyed, or I don't know, the exclamation point appears over their heads. Giftable, dialogable, hittable, and pickable. I can't think of anything else, because signs and lamps and stuff like that is technically dialogable. Even though you're not actually having a dialogue back and forth, but it's just like, you know, notes. Giftable has to be here because not everything is giftable. For example, the thing I've been working on, weirdly enough, is giftable, or I would think it's giftable, because you technically give it an item as a shipping bean. It eats your item just like an NPC would, but instead of you getting hard points from it, it's just stored for its value. Which very cool. I will now try and think. I haven't thought exactly what I'm going to do with this, but I will be having to go back and forth between like the old stuff. For example, my field square over here. I'm going to have to rework it. Not reword it. Rework. Because I do not want this guy. I want to delete root. And it's going to be an entity. It's going to be a base entity. Oh, my base entity doesn't have a sprite. Should it? No, it shouldn't, because I don't know if the sprite's going to be a single sprite or if it's going to be an animated sprite. So I left it blank, which is alright. It won't be a big issue. So this guy's going to be my new field square. Thankfully, it is very right. Okay, right. Thankfully, it's not too much of a hassle to just re-import everything. Correctable. Nope. Scripts. So I'm going to add an animated. Actually, you know what I can do? Copy and paste the node. It should work out of the box. I shall have to give it collision. Be 16 by 16. Can delete. Can delete this one. Can I? Yeah, I can. Fuck it. I'm gonna rename this one to Food Square, and if I hit play, everything should be working just fine. It is not. Entity is a namespace, but it's being used like a type. But yeah, speaking of which. Entity. Cool. Where is it? Shipping beans, yes. Shipping. Oh, it's a namespace. Because I'm not following my own rules. Entities. There we go. Cool. And I should be able to interact with it just fine. I can't plant anything. I don't know why. I'll figure it out. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna figure that out right now. Playable character. The red barberry seed as a tool. Initiate tool. Filling to watering can seeds. Oh no. No, it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. Red power as a tool. Do you have script seed? Check if it's field square, if it's styled. If it's styled. Or is watered. Cool. Nice. Cool. I can grab one of these, and I want to. Oh yeah, I threw it on the ground. I want to give it to the shipping bean. So I'm gonna go back to my shipping bean. And I'm gonna say, well, entities, right? So my entity should have a public virtual dialogue, right? Because I'm interacting with something, and I'm gonna call, if it's dialogable, I'm gonna call the dialogue, and the dialogue is going to pull up this character's information. Just gonna pull up something, and I'm gonna pull up dialogue, interact. I'm gonna leave it as yeah. I'm gonna leave it as just the public virtual void dialogue. I'm just gonna gd print dialogue because I've got literally nothing, zero, nada on dialogue, and I have absolutely no idea how I'm gonna pop up like well, how I'm gonna pop up. Yeah, I do have an idea. I don't have an idea how I'm going to structure it. So I'm just gonna leave dialogue as a print, and I'm gonna have a gift, right? If I'm going to gift it, and I'm just gonna do gift as well, just to worst case scenario, if it's not. Is virtual the one I want? I think virtual is the one I want, where I can override it if I want, but if not, they're just gonna call it parent. Gift, hit, public, virtual void hit, and finally, public virtual void pickup. Wow, thank you, AI. No, it's not AI, but cool, very cool. And I'm just gonna give those guys a print as well. Pick up and hit. Right? Hit entity. Let me look how I'm doing hit with materials. So, oops. What am I doing? Material. So material has virtual void hit. Which will be turning to override. Why is it virtual? Whatever. And by default, like, I don't intend on doing anything here. Entities, I don't think it should have much. You really should have the basis. Whenever I do an NPC, I'll probably start with animals whenever I get there, which are dialogable, they're hittable, they're not pick. Oh wow, I mean, chicken are pickupable. Oh yeah, they are. Ooh. Oh no, I'm gonna have to check if you're putting chickens in your backpack, which you should not be able to. Dialogue gift Hittable pickle. Okay. I think this is it. Now, where was I? Shipping bean. So shipping bean, ready. Base, ready. I think it would be fun to tech creator in your pack. Might be, but it's so mean. I don't want to. Take the cricket, like taking the cricket or the monkey home. Like animal smuggling. I put bugs in my pocket all the time. Well, if you're going to be able to catch, I'm more thinking of like leaving things. If you're ever picking up bugs in my game, you're probably gonna do like the Animal Crossing thing, where you're using net, and it spawns a box, right? And maybe that box you can put in your inventory. Just putting like raw bugs, I don't know. Feels weird. In pack? But they're never in your pack. It's always in your hands. That's the whole thing, right? It wouldn't be... It would be weird to put them in your inventory. They're always like... You're always holding them over your head. And I do like that system a lot, actually. As well. So... Public, override... Void gift. Base gift, so cool. Oh, actually, yeah, of course. Okay, no. Let's think about this for a second. Entity. You can't gift nothing, so you should be gifting an item. And you also can't hit with nothing, so you should always hit it with a tool. You can pick up with nothing, doesn't really matter, but this will not be returning. This is going to be returning something. Even if it's like a pretend item. Maybe I should just leave it a node for now. Public virtual node because... Oh, return null. Okay, can return null, no problem. Dialog, it can return nothing. Cool. Gift, item. So your base gift, item. I'm gonna do a uint total cell value. Total cell value plus equals item dot value price. What do I call it? Item name, item description, cell price protected. Ooh. Item description, sell price. Oh, it's just sell price. Dot sell price. It does not like it. Is it because it's an int? It's because it's an int. You cannot sell something for loss of money. It doesn't really make sense. Either buy it for a negative price. Maybe the animal auto returns to coop house end of each day. No, I mean, I like the idea of it. There's some cute artwork, if I recall correctly, of protagonist taking a walk and a puppy sticking its head out the rucksack. Yeah, I was thinking it kind of like the same thing with like the rucksack being like rounded and just fucking chicken head out of it. I think the idea is good. Taking your chicken for a walk in the mountains. To put them in your backpack. And it's like they do chicken noises along the way. Dude, taking your chicken, right? You go to the mountains and there's like critters and grasshoppers and stuff, and taking your chicken to like hunt grasshoppers and stuff like that. Oh, dude. Fucking grubs. Insects and stuff. That is cute. I like that idea. Total cell value, which by basis is 0. Okay, and we're also going to have a private void checkout. What do I call it? Gift. You give it an item. Okay. Public void checkout. Caching? No. Redeem synonyms online. Ransom, reclaim, rescue, claim, maybe offset, payoff. Maybe it's not redeemed. Earn. Synonyms to acquire, collect. Collect is a good word. Collect. Going to be a void. It's not going to do anything. It's going to inventory player inv get node inventory root inventory, right? And we'll do player inv dot player money, add money, add money, and we'll do amount is going to be total cell value, and then total cell value is going to go back to 0. Let me know if the music stops, because I'm not listening to it. Using headphones, I don't think. It's probably not going to help with tinnitus, but I don't know. I'm holding, still holding hope. In Magical Melody, you can give the chicken weeds you pick. It increases their affection fast, I think. Remember, I was thinking, you know what I'm gonna do? Like, if this ever, well, I mean, I'm not too far. I can just implement sickle. I hate how useless upgrading the sickle is. I am definitely going to make, whenever you use it in a larger area, like the holding, right? If there's at least one harvestable crop, it harvests it and sends it directly to the shipping box, instead of fucking destroying everything. I guess it's kind of useful with wilted plants. But still, I'm doing that. And if there's nothing, it just destroys it. I remember feeding our chicken good types of grass and bugs when I was a kid, so I really like the idea of being able to give animal treats. It's fun. Yeah, I think doing more with the animals would be fun. Or at least doing like a Monster Rancher styled like animal tournaments instead of just having one and you always winning it on like year 2 if you're actually trying, or year 3 maybe, like doing 3, like locals, nationals, international call event, stuff like that. And maybe you can go into different maps. Oh, and you get to meet like new people that's only there, and maybe you can hear about them on the TV stations. Foreshadowing about your thing, cow lover nemesis, cow farmer nemesis. I think that would be fun. Not the generic cracker cookie treats in Harvest Moon. This start of seasons introduced. I want to feed the horse an apple. Oh yeah, dude. I want to feed carrots to the capybaras. Apples to horses is also fun. I want to feed chicken tasty grass, or bugs feed, etc. That would be fun. We'll see. We'll see when I get there. Collect money. I think this is it. The shipping bean doesn't really do a lot. So the thing that it has to do is I'm gonna get my calendar actually, because this is calendar. Calendar. Yeah, calendar, right? And it's going to be called calendar, whatever. My calendar, what is it? Next day, end day, new day, end day, new day, collect. So whenever a new day goes by, we collect. I can gift it. Cool. So now I gotta go back to my playable character. The script for it is a bit of a mess because I'm testing stuff. No, it's not playable character. It is actually interact. I think it wasn't a real good idea actually to throw all the scripts together here. Maybe I should do like subfolders. I'm interacting, so it checks if it's a field square, so you can only interact with field squares. At the moment, I think it should entity, right? If it's entity, if the interact node is an entity. Let me think about how I want to do this for a second. If it's a field square, it grabs the item. So do have a harvest. Pick it up. I'm gonna leave that there for now because it's working. I'll save, incorrect, but I'm gonna prepare the next one as it was supposed to be programmed. So it checks if it's an entity, right? So we'll do entity, incorrect, entity, receives, incorrect node as entity. And then we can do if incorrect entity and interact type. Oh, we don't have an interact type. So back to entity we go. We do have type here, but we also need a private entity interact. Which is also exported. Shipping entity oh, because this is 0. Cool. Damn, dude, I bought some chamomile tea. I love chamomile tea. It's great. I bought some strawberry ones as well, but the strawberry one sucks. Fucking bad. What was I gonna do? Sellable, giftable, hittable one. So my shipping bean. Back to my shipping bean. It is giftable and it's dialogable. I don't know if it should be dialogable or not. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it there. I don't know if I can, read the shipping bean. I think maybe it would be fun. Maybe it would be fun to be able to check how much money you have collected in the shipping bean. I don't know if that's true, like metagaming. Or how many items, maybe. Something fun. I'm gonna leave it there. Where was I? Back to interact. Oh yeah, no, actually back to entity. I'm gonna have the public interact type. Return entity interact type. Get. Cool. Interact type. Direct type. Cash giftable. I don't get what's the issue. Cannot implicitly convert type entity interact type to boolean. Interact type. But you don't have to. Don't compare. Am I not comparing? Did this not work? Am I dumb? I do like the new shipping bin mechanics where it's like any other container, but it gets empty at the end of the day. Yeah, I do like that too. Maybe I was thinking about doing that. It's like any other box, right? Stardew does that. I don't know if the other games do that. I don't think Refactoring. I don't think it does. I think once it's in, and it's gone. I think it's more common to show total Godot at the end of the day. Yeah, well, nothing I'm doing, at least for now, it's like it's how the final product will possibly go. I'm just more thinking what would be fun in the very little that I have. Entity. Really don't can't public enum. Okay. So 1, 2, 4. It's flags. There's a very easy way for me to figure this out. No, it does not work the way I thought it would. Fuck. Wait, it cannot be. Print. Entity interact type. It might be C# not knowing what flags are. Or might be ChatGPT because I indicates an enumeration. It is a bit filled. No, it should be fine. State machine interact. Be right back here. Giftable. Oh, wait. How does... Okay, maybe... No, shipping being entity here. And I can't add to it. What am I supposed to... Oh, am I supposed to be doing this? Is this what it is? Oops. Dialogable giftable. Ooh, it is what it is. I understand now. I understand. don't understand. What am I supposed to be doing? Drag. Has flag? Oh. Oh, I see. Has flag and then what is it? Giftable. I see how it is. If it is giftable, then I can do interact entity.gift. Right, and I give it my item. Is it held item character? Hold item. Nope. Held item. Nope. Hold is holding item. Oh, it's just item. That's right. Very right. There. It's the item they have at hand. Refactor fire lets you take out a game for sure. Does it? I don't recall. I think I've read that also already. Just not processed information. Ooh. And code item. No. Let's check it out. So if I were to grab this power berry and drop it here, I have gifted it to my shipping bin. Very, very cool. I think the next step would actually be to what is it? Calendar text. Player money. Calendar. Nope, I want inventory. After inventory. Money. Let's check it out. So I have 0 money. If I do this, I have 200 money. Very cool. And it only processes by the end of the day. It's just that the day is going by super fast. Cool. I have an entity. It is giftable. It's processing my money. This is absolutely disgusting though. I do have to fix this. I can actually do this right now. The first thing would be to go to Field Square and have... Where's my harvest? I should actually have a public override pickup function. And it's going to return harvest. And my harvest is actually going to be private. Because the thing I want to do, right, is the dream, I would say, would be to have very, very little functions when it comes to like node interactions between one another, but have them be very, very flexible. Which would be the case over here. So my node pickup, so basically this is like the, what I want to do with the, yeah, so this goes, goes. If it's an entity, check if it's entity. So if it has flag giftable, else, I can do this as switch, which I will be doing a switch at some point. Do I want to do it? I might not want to do a switch actually. It might be just better to do ifs and else ifs. Believe it or not. Gift, do pick up. What's the issue? Giftable. Pick upable. Cannot convert Godot. Okay. That's cool. What's the issue here? Let's see if that works. Nope. If interaction node is entity, which my field square is. So what happens is, oh, I see what happens. Field square, oh, it's here. Build it. Then go over to field square and say it's pick a bubble. Nope, still not it. Hittable, dialogable, pick upable. Directing, which items? Yeah, it's really not interacting. It is an entity, so entity interact type has flag type pickable. Gift? Is it trying to gift it? It is not. It is neither of those. Actually, I can do this. Zero. Why is that? Is it because... Oh, I know why. Because my farm has field is pick upable. Well, I am lost for words. Entity 0. Oh, hot dog. Giftable, capable. Wait, what? So if it's only pick upable, it doesn't really show up. What? Entity, shipping beings, entity. 1, 2, 4, 8. It's only pick upable. What happens if I do this? Nothing becomes hittable. Um. 12. 12. Why? Oh. What? Excuse me? $12. It's hittable and pick upable. Do flags work differently in C#? I don't get it. It's hittable and pick upable. It's only hittable. If I take it out, it's neither. If I put pickable, 24. Interact type 24. All zeros. All zeros. Dude, I don't get it. It's changing on farm, right? It is. What the fuck? Wait a second. Field. No, I don't have one field square. One field square. Close it all. Field square and one field. Whatever I change on field square, it changes on field. 31. Dude, I don't get it. Is this broken? It has to be. 31. $28. I'm going insane. 28. Before was 31. But it took out 3. Which, yeah, it makes sense. What's wrong with this? I'm gonna have to Google. Let's go. Godot flags, and we'll also do C# flag. What does flag enum means? Flag should be used whenever enumerable represents a collection of possible values rather than a single value, such as a collection often used with bitwise operations, for example. I do understand that. Note that the flags attribute doesn't enable this by itself. Wait, what? Note that the flags attribute doesn't enable it by itself. All it does is allow a nice presentation by toString method. One, two, four, eight. 1, 2, 4, 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. It is also important to note that flags does not automatically make the enum values powers of 2. Okay, so it doesn't really. Okay, so what this means is I was correct. To retrieve the distinctive values of your property, one can do this. My property allow colors has flag or prior. Under the code. Yeah, I'm using it correctly. I don't get it. Dude, I don't get it. Fuck. $28. How? How? Where are you getting 28 from? Am I being dumb? Field square. Printing interact type. Interact type. Has flag. Interact type. Pickupable. Let's check this way. False. Okay, false. Cool. And if I enable it? True. If I enable everything, continues to be true. Oh, okay. It's hittable, it is pickupable. So that would mean if I go back to interact, that if I were to play the game, all true, and if I were to try and pick it up, I would be able to pick it up and then put it down, and then we'll have 200 money. Get it. Whatever. Fuck it. It's working. Well, it's working. That's all I needed to know. If it's giftable, it gifts item, and then holds no. Okay. And if it's interacting with your hand, it's not pickupable. If it's pickupable, interact entity. Entity pickup as item, hold item, pickupable. Sure. Dialogable. And the last one is hittable. Actually, I don't know if it's hittable. I'm not really interacting because I'm interacting with the A button. I'll check hittable some other time. Print dialog. Which would mean that if I don't have any item and I try to interact with the shipping being, it would say dialogue. It's saying gift over and over again. That is because it's giftable. If it's giftable and giftable and character dot item, it's not null. That item giftable. It's probably null, so is it going to crash? It is. Actually, I should check all of those. And character, item, not known, and character, item, giftable. Dialogue. Cool. I can also sell my item. Can I not? Is it not giftable? Can I sell something that's not giftable? Good question. Red, power berry, seedling item. The item is giftable. Cool. Sorry, not giftable, sellable. Not throwable. I threw it on the ground. I sold money. Perfect. Pickable. I tried garbage. Music stopped because the OST ended. Um, I'm pretty happy with it. Should my... Okay, so... My player character... Playable character... My playable character is a character, and this character should be an entity. With a state machine. I'm gonna do that. entity, call it character. Right. I'm gonna copy and paste the state machine, and also I think you can also add an animated sprite to the sprite. Character. Can I inherit it? Entity, no. Have fun at the dentist. Thank you. Let me know if later you guys are down to play Killer 7. If not, I'll leave it to Thursday. Cool. My character is redone. It is now an entity, so technically it could be giftable or pickupable. I don't think it's going to be. Oh, actually it's not yet. Actually, yes it is. Oh, it's my character who's not entity. Using entities. Cool. Dialogable, giftable, pickupable doesn't really need to be any of those. Yeah. Ooh, I can add a debug color. That's fun. Tracked area. It should be red. Done. Ship it. It's done. I guess I could do collision, but I have absolutely no clue how to do that. So I'll probably leave it till later. What can I do now? I do have entities ready. Yeah, and I know what I'm going to do. I'll be double checking everything I have up until now. And I'm just going to make sure I don't have to redo anything else. So the calendar system is working just fine. I don't have any PCs. I do have a playable character. I have my inventory, which doesn't need to be redone. I have my playable character, which just got a remake. So did characters in general. Documents, entity. So we have the shipping being, which is an interactable entity. I guess characters are entities as well, so I'm just gonna fucking plop them right here. Interactables, cool. Materials, cool. Maybe I should do, because materials, at least branches and rocks are pickupable. What's going on? material to the node. Now material is an entity. Using entities. It's pickupable, it's hittable. It's giftable as well. No, actually it's not giftable, because I can't gift it. Whenever I pick it up, it's going to turn into an item, which is a different thing from when it's down. So are my rocks. My rocks are pickable and hittable. Cool. Yeah. As for my stumps, they're just hittable, and so are just my boulders hittable. Cool. Entity is just the base entity. Field square, my field squares are hittable and pickupable. And I do have material. Just the base material. My seedlings are the ones that are growing. So yeah, I don't need to. It's fine. Farm, field, test farm, which maybe I should start using, because it's fun. Blue power berry, those are items. Tools. So my tool, I do want to check one thing on my tool, which it uses on an interact node. Okay, I want to see what happens when a playable character uses a tool. Use tool, equip tool, use the interact node. Checks if interaction node is a field square, which I guess I need a bit more than just that. So entity interact. Should first do checks, right? This is my check then. We'll do act. We'll do check and act. Interact node is field square. Interact node is field square till with a hole. I guess the first thing, well, I should do this at base. Two. If entity use my base. Return. Entity interact, no, that's entity, okay. Protected. Protected. Boolean can interact. In hit. Am I overcomplicating this? Am I? I see where. Okay. I'm doing one thing wrong. I don't think my items should be checking what they're hitting. I think they should hit, and whatever's being hit decides what to do with the item it's being hit with. I see. Teal water, detail water harvest. Pick up. Pick up. And also I should have a public override. Void. Hit. 2. If they switch to okay, like oh. Oh, I think I can. I think I can't. Fuck. Break. I think I can. Break. Oh. Watering can. If is filled. Base. Oh, watering can, hammer. Detail. Brick. Is entity as entity hit. Yes. Oh shit. by doing this, I don't actually have to program to have like scripts. Oh fuck, dude. This oh fucking Gigabrain. Oh my god, Gigabrain moment. Use this just hits. Oh fuck. Oh, I'm so fucking smart. Yeah. Okay. It's kind of fun like figuring out what I should be doing, what I shouldn't. I haven't actually programmed any games before in my life. I'm gonna delete hoe. I'm going to delete X. I'm going to delete hammer. I am going to delete seed. Should I? No. Seed. I should not seed. What other tools do I have? X, fixed dependency. This is going to be 2. I fixed it. Open anyway. 2, nice. Hammer, fixed dependency. 2. Okay, open anyway. Oh, fixed dependency. 2. Okay. Open anyway. Watering can. Fetch. 2. Oops. Cool. I fucked up. Using 2. Case hole. Oh, because it's a class. Fuck. No. 2 dot type. Watering can. If it's still the water, break. It's not watering. Okay. I still feel like I'm going in the correct direction. Is watering can not an actual watering can? It's an X. Fantastic. Dude. 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 Oh my god, this is so much better. Oh my god, this is so much better. Holy shit. Okay, this is kind of cool. Actually, can you guys see on stream? Oh yeah, you can. Okay. I'll be right back. Hang on. I'm going to make some tea, but I do know what I'm doing next. I'm going to put my money on... Ooh, move. No. I'll be putting my money on... God, and it's all scenes, dude. Holy fuck, this is so much better. I'm gonna put my money on this new design. What I'm going to do is... I'm going to create a more safe, like just some sanity checks, in some more well-designed entity. So if it's pickupable, it's gonna check if like there's an item. I'm gonna have like a pickup item basically. And if it's pickupable, then if it's pickupable, it has to have a item attached to it. Very, very cool. Very, very cool. Nice. I'll be right back. I'm back. Cool. I'm gonna go back to entity. Right. And under ready. Oh, dude. Fuck me. I understand now why. Ah. Okay, whatever. Sports. So I'm going to check. I'm going to check. I guess the first thing, the only thing that I can check for now if it's pickupable. So if I'm actually going to add sport private packets pickup item. If entity has flag pickup go. Node receives item dot instance dated node entity if if it's item if it's different than no, then it checks if it's an item for sure, for real, for real. Very cool. I need to, I really need to fix some stuff. I will start by going to entity and field square. My field square has redundancy. Field square state. On my field square. That's actually my harvest. Pickup is harvest. Has seedling. Seedling harvest. Public grow. Grow stage to grow. I'm just going to move all the public stuff here. All the private stuff down there. So, the only things I can do is grow. I grow it. And the only thing, food square, one food. So, you. Oh, okay. I call grow because I need to check if it's watered. Oh, okay. It does make sense. Why? Okay. I understand grow. Process. Grow the water, grow. Oh, okay, because it grows and once it's harvested, it degrows the stage. It doesn't, I can't actually degrow from outside, which is correct. This is the way I want it. I do not need nutrients. Public. Harvest. Catch. Turn. Harvest. So my interface here is just grow and harvest. If I try to harvest, I try to check if it's want to grow and harvest. I'll screw free crop. I want to check something. I think I'm checking elsewhere. But if I plant, oh, I can't harvest it. Okay, great. Cool. If is ripe. If it's not ripe, then go back to field square. I'm gonna go to harvest as seedling and seedling and seedling is okay. I'm happy with seedling. I'm not happy with field square, I think. I gotta check it. Area 2D mouse. What the fuck is area 2D mouse? Like this. Area collision. Okay. You know what, actually? Entity. Protected. Public area should be area node. Yeah, entity area, area. I'll just say area. Can I? Yeah. I can. Process doesn't have seedling, is tiled. This the weather is sunny, the water. It's not rainy actually, the water. If chance 24 detailing. If has seedling. If it's water and seedling needs water, true. If seedling doesn't need water or is watered, true. If is tilled, what do you mean if it's tilled? Oh, if it's tilled but there is no water. If seedling grew is in the process, grew. If tilled. It has seedling. If it's water, it's processing. If it's watered, it grows. Okay, and if it's tilled, check is calendar is raining. If it's raining, water. Else dewater it. If Okay. Till. If seedling is not null or is already tilled or is watered, just return. Fine by me. Else till it. So if it's not tilled, till it. And if it's raining, then water it. Okay, cool. To water it. Is it not tilled or is it already watered? Just return. Else water it. Cool. Plant seed if has seedling, return. Do William. Turn false. If it has seedling or stewed false. Return faucet, return true. Basically, I want to tell the character if it's consuming the seeds. So if it has sealing style, is it planting the two? I'm gonna skip this one. The tool has sealing. If it has sealing, it kills free. Then fills it. You water it, just waters it. All this. I'm gonna leave all the public shit all the way up there. That's for functions at least. Ready, process. Now, till shouldn't be public anymore. It's going to be private. So is water, so is planting. So is deep healing, so is the watering. Okay. Can I run it? I probably can't. I'm probably calling something from outside. Yep. Material area hides inherit member entity area. Oh yeah. Field square plant seedling is inaccessible to the protection level. Hit. Yeah, I gotta rework the seeds. Because the tool just use, right? It's use interaction node, and I'm hitting it with this. Which at this point field square, hit. Paste his seed, plant 2 dot 2 as seed dot seedling. What do I call it? Seedling scene. Public seedling. Okay. Object reference, not an instance of an object. Field square ready. Field square 40. Initiate seedling. I'm gonna take this one out for now. Seed. So it's trying to plant a seedling seed, and I'm telling 2 as seed, which is two is seed. True. True, true, true indeed. I don't get it. Oh, wait, maybe I do get it. Has seedling false. Oh. Is still true, true, false. False, false. I think so. Has seedling true. Is still. It has seedling false. Is still true. Is watered true. This should be false. Let me just do this. Okay, it's definitely this one. Oh, okay, I get it. So, is chilled false, is watered false, means it's not chilled nor watered. So true, true. True has sealing. False, but it's neither, it's... Okay. I think this is correct now. Yep. Yep. Where were I? Playable character. Playable character. Nope. Alright. Doom seed. Seed is now a type of tool, but I don't need different seeds. Well, the thing with seeds, where is my seed? Seed. Go back, go back. I want to take this. Take this. Because the thing with seeds is it's going to hit. Yeah, never mind. This is going to be dictated by the player. Because it doesn't really matter. It shouldn't really matter. If someone... Yeah, it shouldn't. If someone wants to waste their seeds not planting them, using a seed just uses a seed. Which, by the way, I should probably work on stackable items. Plant ceiling. Okay, so this is working. Very cool. Cool, I do like this new flow. That said, stackable, protected. Max stack. If stackable. Quantity. Store item inventory position. To do that, actually, I would have to run some tests before I mess with stackable items. It's false. Oh, I can do name, I guess. Okay, stackable items may not be as simple as I thought it would. I guess... the correct step would be to have an item ID. Good morning. Okay. Actually, I might not do that right now. I feel like I'm going to fuck everything up. I will actually... fuck. I keep forgetting to study and check stuff out like off stream. And every single time I open stream, I just start reading stuff and studying. And I get lost in the sauce. I'm gonna have to check. I should do a list actually. I'm gonna do a list. I'm going to force myself things to check out before next stream. Right. We're gonna do 1 scene loader. Change scenes/maps. Moving character. Having a scene always on memory. Or saving or loading. Two. What is it? Item unique identification. Stackable items. How to compare 2 items and guarantee they're the same. Make write function specifically for that. 3. What else should I do? Check if I should use a database for items, or if it doesn't really matter. I should keep scenes for each of them. Seeds. Stackable gift throwable. 4. Check how to do /import a dialog system. How to write one. And properly implement it. 5. What else should I do? There's so much stuff I should do off stream. Because otherwise I'll be streaming absolutely nothing while I read online stuff. I should actually try and do like smaller projects just to try and figure stuff out. Maybe that should be it. Maybe I think that it would be a good balance. I figured out how scene loaders work, and I basically like do I'm trying this new thing out, and then I go back and implement it correctly on my game. Yeah, I think that would work. Tool X NPCs maybe. No, I think this is it. I will be ending stream here. Because I've got no idea. I got no idea what to do. There's a lot to do, but no idea of how to actually well implement it or correctly implement it. But I'm happy with what I've got up until now. I think being able to delete everything and work. Speaking of which, material. Can I break material? I think I might have broken that. If I have broken that, then I'm gonna fix it. And I'm gonna continue. No, it's working. I killed a lot of scripts with that. It's way more generic, which I like. I like generic. File repositioning. I'm gonna fucking commit this. File and those. Probably shouldn't do that altogether, but I will. I don't care. Okay, I do have a plan of action. And I'm gonna execute it one step at a time. It is what it is for now. I think I'm gonna take a big break actually from streaming programming. Because I feel like I've been refactoring a lot, which is good. But I do want to expand what I have. And to do that, I gotta actually take some time to study. Yeah, later.